Hey nonprofits, the donation sticker is now available on Instagram. This is really excited because for the first time ever, your followers can now donate to your nonprofit through Instagram stories. And in today's video, we're gonna show you step-by-step how you can use the donation sticker and what it's gonna look like for the people who donate to your nonprofit. But before we get into that, we want to mention that the donation sticker is available to nonprofits who have applied for Facebook fundraising tools and been approved. Facebook and Instagram are the same company, and so this is why you need to go through Facebook first. If you already are set up for Facebook fundraisers and you're using the Facebook fundraising tools, you are good to go. If you don't have Facebook fundraising tools set up yet, we created a YouTube video about this on how you can get started with Facebook fundraising tools, and it walks you through how you can apply. So we'll put a link to that in this video description in case you need to start there. But let's get into our tutorial. So in order to use the donation sticker, you need to open your Instagram account, go to Instagram stories, and for our example, we used the type screen and we typed in book fundraiser. And once you type in that, you click next, and you can access the little square happy face. And when you click that, that's gonna pull up all of the stickers. So you may need to scroll down a little bit and you'll see the donation sticker. When you click the donation sticker, it's gonna then let you add your fundraising title. And so we did, a $5 donation equals 5 books. And then we added a sticker of a child reading. Now, this is all you have to do to set up your donation sticker and to get donations on Instagram stories. So once you have that set up, you just click share, and it's gonna live in your story for 24 hours. And so when somebody sees this, they have the option to click on the donate button that's in your story. And when they click on the button, they're gonna get routed to their web browser on their phone. And this is because people need to log into the web-based version instead of the app so that they can complete the checkout process. So once they log in, they're going to see your nonprofit organization and different amounts that they can donate, or they can add a custom amount that they want to donate. Once they decide how much they want to donate, then they click next, and here's the really great part. They can provide their contact information to your nonprofit, and Instagram will send you that contact information. So this was a big problem. It's been a big problem on Facebook because as a nonprofit, if someone donated on Facebook, you didn't always get their contact information, and so you weren't able to keep building that relationship. But now this has been built into the checkout, and so that's really exciting. Once somebody enters their contact information, they'll get to the next screen where they can enter their name and their billing address and their credit card information. The cool thing is people can scan a credit card, so it makes it really easy for people to complete this donation. Once they enter that information, they will then get to a screen that confirms, lets them review before they actually donate. So it'll confirm the nonprofit name, the donation amount, and if everything looks good, they can click donate. It will process that donation and your nonprofit will receive that donation. It's really cool. We really hope that you're gonna utilize Instagram stories because this is a great opportunity for you to raise more awareness for your nonprofit and to raise more funds. We also wanted to mention that you can, let me back up. Instead of just your nonprofit fundraising for yourself, your followers will also see the donation sticker. And this is really cool because just like someone can create a Facebook birthday fundraiser or a Facebook fundraiser for your nonprofit, people can do the same thing now on Instagram. So we're not 100% sure that the donation sticker has been rolled out to all accounts, but most likely if you are a nonprofit and you have applied for Facebook fundraising tools and been approved, you're gonna have it. Or if you're a person who follows a nonprofit on Facebook, you're most likely going to have that donation sticker as well. So we would love to know who's watching. If you comment below with your nonprofit name, we will look you up on Instagram. And if you found this video helpful, please give us a like. And if you're interested in getting more marketing tips for your nonprofit and learning about news when it breaks, like Facebook donations that should be coming out soon, go ahead and subscribe below. We're not sure which site it is, but subscribe. And we look forward to seeing you next week.